Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a video review of CyanogenMod 9 for the LG Optimus One. The first thing you'll notice about Ice Cream Sandwich is the new lock screen. You have your carrier notification here, your date and time settings, and you can expand the notification bar while you're in the lock screen. So with this unlock ring, you can jump straight into the camera app by dragging it around the camera icon, or you can unlock the phone by dragging it over the lock icon. And you'll notice the new home launcher where you can create folders, and you have resizable and scrollable widgets. And you can see this is a new YouTube widget. This was previously on the Honeycomb Android OS for tablets. Similarly, the Gallery app. So here you have your Gmail app, also scrollable, and this is the phone. You can create folders by dragging an icon onto another, and then you can name the folder whatever you want. And to delete the folder, you can take out the icon and replace it outside, or you can drag the whole folder into the trash by doing this. So you can just drag it out. You can hold the icon there to uninstall it. You'll see even the app door is changed, so you can jump straight into the Play Store from here. The Play Store has changed with Ice Cream Sandwich. You can see all the settings here, games, top paid apps, etc. You can go home, and although most of the functions on this phone are working completely fine, for example calling and texting works completely, the camera does not work at all. You get no preview, no photos, and even video doesn't work. So you can't click photos with this ROM. The camera is broken, and even the gallery app and the browser are slightly buggy, though they're much better than before. You can go into your gallery app here, and instead of wallpaper, you can use the settings key, set picture as the wallpaper, and crop picture, and you have this new kind of wallpaper setting. To set your wallpaper, you have to have this kind of new crop setting that comes up, and then to set it, you just click crop here, so it will set the wallpaper. This ROM is very fast on a regular basis. There's not many lags, etc. on this ROM. You can also see that messaging works fine. This is the multitasking interface. You can hold home to get to it and hold home to go back. You can hold one of these to remove it from the list or get to know the app info, and you can slide it sideways either way to end the task. The music app on this phone works completely fine, though it's the Gingerbread music app and they have not updated it to the Ice Cream Sandwich music application. You see, gaming works fine on this. Is cut the rope, so there's no lag that shouldn't happen on this phone. There'll obviously be a slight lag since the processor is only 600 megahertz. You can play it. You see, there's no problem playing the games. I'll show you another high performance game like Dead Space, which might take a second to load. The EA icon. As I said, this might take a second to load since this is not a high performance device and the game is an HD game. So here it is. Use earphones for best experience. Play. We continue my profile. Swipe left, right for hints. So you can see your hints. And I'm sorry I'm showing you this, guys, but I just wanted to show you that there's no lag while playing games, etc. on this device. It's completely fine. Tap to continue. Here we go. So I'm just playing this with one hand, so this is going to be a little tough. Okay, something has happened. There we go, I killed one guy, I think. So yeah, there we go. There's a slight freeze there. But anyways, now you've got an idea that gaming is not slow on this ROM. What else? The dialer has changed, and as I told you before, calling and texting works completely fine. There's a new blue dialer. The whole appearance of Android has changed from like kind of orange yellow interface to this sky blue interface kind of. What else? All YouTube, Gmail, all these kind of apps have changed from their normal black and orange interface to this blue and white interface. For example, we will go into Gmail. Let's see, this is a white interface. Gmail doesn't seem to be responding, so say we go into YouTube, but I need to tell you something else about YouTube. Okay, there we go. Gmail just responded, but we were trying to go into YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So now that we've gone to YouTube, I just need to tell you something, that videos work fine when played normally, but when you play them in high quality, it's just kind of like a slideshow. It stutters a lot, and the audio is smooth, but the video is really poor. So I'll just show you. For example, I've loaded some video. I don't know what video I've loaded. Okay, so this is the one, Yogs cast, whatever. So here we go. You can see that the video is completely smooth and normal, but as soon as I change it to high quality, you'll notice that there is a very poor video performance. This is what I was meaning to tell you. There's this kind of weird stuttering, and this is not just in YouTube, even gallery. If you try to run videos with a resolution of 320 to 480 or higher, you get this same kind of stuttering, but videos below that resolution work fine. Now we just go into settings and I'll tell you a little more about the ROM, etc. So since this is CyanogenMod 9 and the stock launcher for CyanogenMod 9 is Trebuchet, so this is also using Trebuchet, and this really gives you kind of a stock launcher feeling. So you have all your settings here for the number of home screens, your dock drawer, etc. You can go down to performance, where you can overclock or underclock your phone, whatever you would like to do. I have overclocked it to 748 because I believe that's a stable frequency. Now when you go into about phone, you'll see LG Optimus P500 and Android 4.0.4. Anyways, So yeah, and although it says on the XDA page this is not suitable for a daily ROM, I don't believe so. I think it's completely stable. As long as you don't use your camera, I think this ROM can be used on an everyday basis. So yeah, I think that's all for now, and I really recommend this ROM for you as long as you don't use the camera on your device.